Hey YouTube, Garage Race here, back at it again. So we're going to make a video on this 2023 Bronco Badlands Edition. I'm going to install the LED grill lights, the amber lights, which is this one's right here. You've probably seen them all around. All the cool kids have them, and they go right here on your grill on this holes right here. You can put 5 or 3. Installation is very easy. I just bought this product out of Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description. I'm actually excited because I'm going to fix up my baby. So I'm going to show you the process on how to install it, and I'm going to show you how it looks. And I hope you like it, guys. It's going to be easy and fast. So here we go. Okay, guys. So the first step to putting on your lights, it's just obviously opening your hood. But we're going to go ahead and after that, we're going to go ahead and remove this little cover right here, so that we can then remove the grill and just bring it forward. I'm going to try and just bring it forward a little bit and not take it fully out, but it's just a couple of clips anyways. But for this, it's very easy. Just get a flathead and you're going to come and remove this little clips right here, just like this. And there's a couple, so you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 clips. Once you take out those 9 clips, we have to remove this little cover, but there's nothing else holding it. I believe you just pull it back, and I'll show you that in just a minute because it just unclips from here. But let's go ahead and just remove this first, and then I'm going to show you how you're going to put your lights. So here we go. Okay, guys, so now that I remove all the clips, put everything in a bucket, you come in here. This is very easy. What you have to do is just push in those clips, or you can get a long flathead just like this one. And what I did is I came in here from the inside. And then as you can see there, I'm folding it down, and I pulled it out just like that. Put that there, and then this comes out. You can put this on the side. I'm gonna put it somewhere around here. Make sure you don't close your hood. And then this comes right out. Okay, so take this off and put it out somewhere, and then I'm gonna show you what you have to do next. All right, guys, so now that I removed that cover and everything, you're gonna come in here. There's 4 screws, they're size 10. So it's gonna be this guy, 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're size 10. You can use your sockets or whatever you want. I'm just going to use my drill. Come in here and remove all 4 of them. So go ahead and remove all 4, and then let me show you what you have to do. Okay, guys, so now that you remove those screws, just come in here. We're going to unplug these cables. They're very easy. For the brown one, just going to push down here and pull out just like that. And then the little hose is a little bit more complicated, but it's very easy. You're just gonna squeeze it from the sides. As you can see, it has a little grip. So just gonna squeeze that and pull out just like that. And that's it. Now your grill is disconnected from the vehicle itself. This is for the camera, I believe, and then this is for fluids. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what you have to do next. All right, guys, so now that I removed those hoses, we disconnected them. There's a couple of clips, and I already removed one just so I can show you, but there's 6 clips. No, wait, there's more. There's 1 here and there's 1 here. There's just clips that you're gonna have to pull your grill out. That's 2 right there. And then there's 2 on this side, 1 and 2. And then down here, you're gonna have 6. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're just gonna pull that out on those. This one I already removed it because you can put your hand from the inside and squeeze it. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Let me see. So just gonna have somebody just push in the clip from the inside and pull, and that's it. That's how you take out that 1 clip over there, and then it gives you the space to come in here with both of your hands and pull this out and take out this clip. You're gonna do the same thing on that side, and then pull out and remove those clips. They're just push-on clips, so you just pull out and they'll unclip. So let me do that and show you what you have to do next. Okay, guys, so now that you remove your grill, you popped it out and all the clips and everything after removing the screws. You place it somewhere else. I have to place it here because I have my wires for the letters, so it's connected, and I don't want to just unplug the whole thing. So I'm just gonna work on it right here on the spot, but you can take it off and work on it on a table in a more comfortable spot. But okay, now that you have your grill like this, now it's very easy. You're just gonna come in here, and we have to remove this screws right here. So you can remove this little cover. If you have a camera, you may have to unplug it, but maybe not. I'm just gonna try and remove those screws. I'm gonna tell you their sizes right now and make some space enough just to put the cables in, and we'll run them through the side. So let me just check the sizes and let you know right away. Okay, guys, so those are a size T25 TORX, which is this guy right here. And I'm gonna use it with my socket. And so you're gonna remove this one. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's one right here, 6. I'm not sure we have to remove it or not. We'll leave it last. I think you do. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 total. We're gonna remove those 9, and we should be able to move this little cover up so we can place our lights and then run all the cables to the driver's side, to the fuse box. So go ahead and remove those 9 screws, and I'm going to show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so I removed those 8 at the end of the day. I didn't have to remove the one that I mentioned before. So it's just 8, those 2, and then this 6 down here. And then that's your camera. Try not to touch it or mess with it. But it's going to go back in place in there once we're done. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my lights. I'm going to go ahead and unplug them, each light. So just pull this back and bring the light forward. Let me show you real quick. All right. So I got the light, and now I'm going to run it through the front of the vehicle. I'm going to run it through. So I'm going to put one at the end, which is the first one right here, all the way in the top of the grill. So it's going to be one right here, and I'm going to leave 2 spaces, put another one, 2 spaces, put another one, 2 spaces, another one, 2 spaces, another one. And that will be 5 lights spaced out. And then remember that all the cables have to end up going that way. So this will be the shortest cable, and that will be the longest cable. So go ahead, and you're gonna have to unplug them so you can run the cable through, and just run it like that. And then you're gonna come in here. It's very easy, and just it's hard to do. I'm gonna lift and record at the same time. Well, let me get a better angle and show you with both of my hands. So here we go. Okay guys, so I placed one. I did have to use both of my hands. It was hard to record and do it, so I have to use both of my hands because you have to hold it in place and then push from the bottom. But it looks very good. It fits perfectly, and that's how it is. I'm gonna remove the plastic later at the end, but it fits perfectly. As you can see, it's fit. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other ones. Like I said, leave 2 spaces, put the other one, 2 spaces, put the other one. If you by any chance have just the 3 lights, then you can space it out the way you want. But this is the 5-piece, and like I said, this item is you can check the link in the description for this item. It's I'm excited. So let me finish this up, and then I'm going to show you how it looks and how to connect it to the fuse box. Okay guys, so I put on all the lights, as you can see. Very easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this back and run all these cables to the bottom, just like this, all of them, all 5 to the bottom. And I'm going to put the screws back on. And then I'm going to connect the other wires and run them through to the right, to the driver's side. I know this is in your instruction manual if you want to read it, but I mean, you're seeing the video. So it's better and faster and easier. And then the package also comes with some zip ties. So we're going to use those in a minute to zip tie everything to the back and run it through. So let me just put this back, and then I'm going to show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, I have everything connected. I put some zip ties. Put one here, it's a good spot. I put some here, and I put another one here. I had the other cables from my lights and the letters, because I have the letters that light up. I did that on there's another video on my account about that. But I have the space kind of taken because of those wires running through, and these wires will run through the same lane. So I think it's okay. I'm gonna check right now, but it should fit fine. And they come through here, and you're gonna push them up through here. I'll show you that in a minute. But everything's already set, clean. Run it through the back underneath this, and then you can screw this up, screw this on, and then that's it. Everything is connected. So let me just put the grill back on, and then I'm gonna show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so I already put the grill back on, and I already put this cover on and everything. As you can see, the lights, I ran all the cables to the side, and they're coming out right here. Well, actually, this is my other cable, because remember I have 2 lights coming out, but this is one of them, and then the other one is this one. I'm running it through here to the side. I tied it there. This one is also coming there to the side, just from the bottom, as you can see. So it's tied up there. Keeps on going. Now I'm here on the fuse box. Just take off your fuse box cover. It's 3 clips, very easy. You can't miss it. And then let me see if I can zoom out. Whoa, never mind. Okay, so now this my old lights. They have the same system where they connect to one of the fuses, and this is it. The new one, which is this guy, it's a very cool system. So it's connected here. It has a ground, which I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna unscrew this, which is a size 8, I believe, and then put this on there and screw it back on, just like I did here on this side. But I'm gonna put it here. That's just for your ground. And then this system comes with the tools, or the set that you bought, and you connect this right here, which is very easy. You're gonna run it through, and I'm gonna replace. There's 3 options. I'm gonna put a diagram so you can see which fuses you can replace. I already replaced this fuse with the other lights. The other option is fuse here, which I don't have next to this 15. I guess I don't have the option in my vehicle, but the third option is this guy right here. So I'm gonna replace this guy. So I'm gonna take this off, and I'm just gonna put this one in, just like this. So I'm gonna place this in like this, or probably like this. And then that's it. That will take care of your system and also of your lights. And then I'm gonna put the cover back, and I'm gonna run the cable through here as well. I think you have another option down here. There's a little hole. And then you can put your cover back. So I'm gonna do that. Make sure you zip tie your cables here to the side. You can do that. I did it. It looks nice and clean. But let me do that and then turn on the car and then show you how the lights look. I'm actually excited. So here we go. Okay guys, so I finished putting everything back together. Now let me see. Let's see how it looks. I put the fuse box back and run all the cables. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wee wah. This looks amazing. Oh man, I love it. I love it. Oh wow. Now look at that. It's a powerhouse right there. It's a nice little truck, man. Well, hey, I hope you want to do this with your truck. And if you want to do it, just follow the instructions. It's very easy. Check the link in the description to buy the lights. And it took me truly like about 15 minutes or so. It's super easy. The connection to the fuse box is just amazing, simple. Just take off the fuse, put in the new device. That's it. You don't have to worry about anything. It's safe. And there you go, guys. Man, I love it. I love it. Well, hey, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe.